name is Helema. I am in team Pirianga Taeake. For our first impression, we have decided to perfect on our uniform, which is using the proper uniform throughout the week, the maroon color with the badges and the here. For Kia Orana wear, we've decided to coordinate ourselves so that we're all in the same colors and always wearing fresh flowers. We also chosen to perfect our arrival procedure. So when the arrivals get off the bus, we welcome them by standing in front of front office with a handshake, and then we do a really nice orientation, check them in, and hopefully from then they will enjoy the rest of their stay.
Kia Orana, my name is Tire. It's the second week of first impressions. I think we've done really well. I mean, every time people come up, they're, wow, you guys look amazing.